to edit photos with AI on Xiaomi 17T Pro. I mean by using AI feature. Open the gallery and go for this photo that you want to manage. Click here and take a look what you can find. The Ultra HD mode. You have to tap on it and it's gonna analyze the picture and it will actually make some changes. Honestly, for me, on this specific picture, it's not working that good. Honestly, it actually make picture better in some parts, but some of them looks terrible. Like when you take a look, for example, on this kid of Ronaldo, so it looks better than here. It's much smoother, no any low quality details. But when you take a look on his face, well, honestly, it doesn't look as good. The same when you take a look on a ball, or for example on the grass, it doesn't look that natural. So it actually depends on the photo. The next option is the Beautify mode, that actually change like the exposure, brightness, contrast, lightness, and so on. So you can change its effect, its level of changes, and this is like two features, the AI features that you can use for a quick adjustments. But what you can also find here, well, when you go for like create or erase, you can still use AI. So this is the AI feature that you have to download actually, and then you can actually remove something from the photos. You can also expand picture. So this is the another feature that you have to actually download, like this one. Take a look. We can make it like this. Let's click start, and this image is actually too small, so it's not possible to do this, and we have to make it even smaller. Let's see if it's gonna work. Now still looks like it's too small. No, it's just not working for me, but this is some base things. I believe that in the future Xiaomi gonna improve those features, and it will be much more useful.